Do you remember life without hashtags? Neither do I. Hashtags have become such an integral part of our life that it's hard to remember what social media was like without them. Hashtags on Instagram make your content discoverable. That means they're a huge part of your Instagram success. If you want to speed up Instagram growth, you have to find and use the best hashtags for your business. But how do you get started? In this video, I cover everything marketers need to know. But before continuing, subscribe to our channel so that you are the first to watch the new videos on how to make money online. The first step is to search for hashtag related to your niche. In this example, we are going to search for hashtag for my fitness account. To position my Instagram account among the first results, I need to find small hashtags. This will help me that all the traffic I get from the small hashtags will make me position myself among the big hashtags. When you already have your hashtags, you have to review each hashtag one by one and see the first 6 posts of that hashtag. What we want is that the post has few likes. It will help me decide if my post can be positioned among the first places of that hashtag and get more traffic to my Instagram account and therefore more followers. Hashtags play a crucial role in developing interest in your social media accounts and are used on a number of social media platforms, most commonly Twitter and Instagram. Including a hashtag with your posts helps to categorize content for your audience. From a user perspective, hashtags allow people to find posts that are relevant to their interests and interact with other social media users who share those interests by joining the conversation about any hashtag. From a business perspective, it is your chance to be noticed in such conversation and establish your company as a voice for certain topics. Knowing where, why, and how to hashtag can change your social media game and presence tremendously. Hashtags work. They help increase your social media presence as they make your content viewable by anyone who has an interest in your hashtag, as it goes beyond just your followers. Hashtags can help you build a brand for your business or yourself by engaging with customers and joining the conversation about what's trending. If you participate in high-traffic conversation by discovering the biggest trending topics, you are more likely to gain great visibility to your business. The more visibility you get, the more likely you are able to create a larger audience, and a larger audience exponentially increases the likelihood of fresh leads for your business. Another option that you could use is this website called allhashtag.com. This tool will help you find your hashtags more easily. You just have to put a word in the hashtag search engine. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to watch our new videos on how to earn money online.